Hello YouTube, my name is Lafor, and today I'm doing a small coverage video on Mists of Pandaria, the new World of Warcraft expansion. And today I'm going to show you the new character customization, because Blizzard has done a really big overhaul on this, and it would be, odd not to show it. So today I'm going to show it to you. And I know I haven't been making a lot of videos on my channel lately, and because I'm busy, it is the last 2 months of school, and I need to really focus on final exams, but I will be uploading videos occasionally, not as much as I did in the past, which does suck. I'm really sorry for that. I will be doing the Minecraft account giveaway though. The winner will be announced on the 30th April. So that is in let's say 2 weeks right now. So today's Saturday, my bad. But yeah, so keep your eye out for that. So let's get right to the video. Let's stop sidetracking. As you see here, there's been really big changes to the race and class selection. As you see, the information's hidden and you can click to view it, which makes it really nice. There's not as much clutterness on the screen as there was before, which I think, in my opinion, is really nice. I don't really read the information, for new players. And another great thing is that, and a lot of other MMOs also do now, if you click a class, it'll actually show a preview of pretty high-end armor, which, you can actually see how it looks like on a different character. Really nice. Obviously, monks don't have it yet, because, monks are a new class. They're not gonna make end-game armor yet for you to see. Anyways, let's get right into customization of your character. As you see, really big changes here too. On the right side, you see it has it shows a preview of it now, so you don't have to go from right to left to see the customization changes. Now you can see them all in one, and as you rotate your character, the boxes that preview the customization also moves, so you can see the back if you want to. So it's really nice that they added this. Skin color there's only one for Pandarians, oddly enough, but that's probably going to change in later beta release. Obviously, in official, it's going to be changed a lot. So do remember, this is beta footage. This is probably not going to be in the end game. Do remember that. Yeah, so this is pretty much all the changes. I mean, they're pretty big changes if you think about it, and they do really help if you're a new player or an existing World of Warcraft veteran. So really awesome changes, I think, in my opinion. I'm not going to show the next part, which includes me playing Pandarian Monk, mainly because, this is mainly for character customization. I want to show other stuff, which that'll probably be later on. So, I would thank you for watching, everybody, and as I said, I'll be uploading videos occasionally now, but, it's not going to be every day like it was in the past. And yeah, Loading Screen, they have actually made it, and the artwork looks amazing. It looks fantastic. So, but that's pretty much it for now. Thank you for watching, and thanks for all your support for my subscribers and for my viewers. So, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And my name is Lafor, and I guess I'll see you later.
Peace.